You are going to love the 2024 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, towing package, heated outside mirrors, rain sensing wipers, cargo area protector. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.